Hello guys, Connie Rosario here. So I'm looking for makakainan again. So I'm here in Airport Road and looking for some restaurants to eat. So I saw one, it's called Kebab Street. Kebab Street Restaurant and Grill. Let's try this one. Come on. Hi, good afternoon. Yes. So I'm looking for a restaurant to eat. So this is the first time I come here. So what kind of food do you have? Can I have your menu?
If you want to try Pakistani,
What is your name? By the way, what is your name?
my name is Adnan Ahmed. My name is Adnan Ahmed.
So the name of your restaurant is
Kebab Street.
Kebab Street is good.
Kebab Street Restaurant and Grill. You are located in Airport Road, right? So they are in Airport Road, Abu Dhabi, UAE.
We have family platter is mixed, good for 2 person, only 60
Okay, but
dirham.
then that's
All
nice.
everything is mixed.
Yeah,
You are
I think,
alone, so
yeah,
you can
yeah.
try our cheese kebab available, mutton Afghani kebab available, available lamb chops here. With pulao rice, biryani rice, as you wish. You can try both if you like. Have bread also. We have tandoori roti, butter naan, garlic naan, cheese naan. Especially we have cheese naan for Filipino customer. They like too much this one.
Okay, so I would like to try like Pakistani food.
Pakistani. If you
Yeah.
like kadai, this one we have kadai here special. Chicken Peshawari kadai and mutton Peshawari kadai is best seller here.
Pakistan.
Pakistani food. This is authentic food Pakistani. Try cheese kebab. I think it's best for you.
No, I think I would like to try this chicken karahi.
Chicken karahi.
Yeah, Pakistani food. Okay.
Let's first try this one. If you want to move,
Yes.
we have lot of these. No problem.
Correct.
You can try it.
Okay, so
I'll
after
wait for you first this one.
yeah, so after that maybe in the other some other days I will try this kebab,
sure.
right?
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. So I will wait here.
This is vegetable corn soup. This is for all customer complimentary from us.
Vegetable corn soup, complimentary soup for the customers.
All customers.
For all the customers. Thank you so much. So let's try their complimentary soup, corn soup. So complimentary soup too for all the customers. So let's try. Yeah, nice. Their corn soup is nice. Okay, wait ha.
Mixed green salad.
My order is here now.
This is your cheese naan.
Cheese naan. There's the cheese naan. Cheese naan. And
This is your curry. Patni curry.
this is the
Patni curry. I can open.
Maki Karaya. Can you please open it? So this is the chicken
Chicken
karahi.
Patni curry special.
Chicken makni karahi special. See guys.
Kebab Street.
Ooh, only here in Kebab Street. This is the special.
This is a special here.
What is the name again?
Chicken Patni curry.
Chicken makni karahi. So especially authentic from Pakistan, right? So see guys, so it's still hot. As you can see the smoke. So it's fresh and hot. Hello, so let's try na the food. So I ordered this chicken karahi, chicken maki karahi from Pakistan. So this is authentic Pakistani food. First time I will try this chicken maki karahi. Bread, I ordered this bread cheese naan. So this is cheese naan bread. So it's filled with cheese. So come on guys, let's try now. It looks delicious. So first, let's try this cheese naan bread, also from Pakistan. Lasang-lasa yung cheese, guys. Masarap ng cheese. Look, ang dami. Ang dami ng serving ng chicken karay, guys. Look. Ang daming servings. Good for 2 people. So let's try now. Looks delicious. Look at the sauce. Nagmamanti-mantika. Chicken karahi. Chicken maki karahi. Ayan. So let's try now. This chicken maki karahi. Authentic Pakistani food. Ayan. Parang may gata siya, guys. Para siyang may gata. Tikman natin. Malambot. The meat is soft, tender. Medyo maasim-asim siya na maanghang. Masarap siya. Masarap. Malalasahan nyo talaga yung anghang niya and medyo konting asim. Para siyang kaldereta, something like that. Sarap. Sarap yung chicken karahi nila. I like the sauce. Masarap din talaga Pakistani food, no? Yeah. Nice. I love it. No, it's okay. I'm okay. Yeah, thanks. Masarap din pala guys yung Pakistani food, no? Try yung chicken karahi nila guys. Magugustuhan nyo. Masarap. Sarap. Sulit. I love chicken karahi. May pork piece. Ang takaw, no? Pang-apat na to. Masarap siya, kaya tingnan mo, oh, nagustuhan ko. Perfect. So, ito pala ang pagkain ng Pakistan. Ito daw yung special food ng Pakistan, chicken karahi. So, sikat to sa Pakistan, chicken karahi. Well cooked talaga siya, guys. And mabilis lang yung order in fairness. So, like around 10 minutes, 15 minutes, ready na yung order ko. And the people here are so friendly as well. So guys, mahahanap nyo ang Kebab Street Restaurant and Grill. Malapit lang siya sa Alwada Mall. Front of Alwada Mall. Kebab Street Restaurant and Grill. Oh my God, I'm so full. Naka-4 na piraso ako na chicken karahi and 1 piece of cheese naab. I'm full. Craving satisfied for Pakistani food. Okay guys, see you soon. Bye! Don't forget to follow for more.